Yo guys, you're welcome to the Best Forex Academy, and before I start, I want to show you guys a bot which someone got yesterday, the one for the PC. You can see our chat here, and let's see, he got it yesterday, and when he came back from church, he traded on 1000 double positions, and he showed me the screenshot which I sent to our free signal group, and he doubled his account using that cheetah robot. So I'll urge you, if you're having difficulties trading, please, you can get that cheetah robot and start making your money. The one for mobile phone is $50, the one for PC is $100. Okay, so traders are actually winning using the mobile robot. Okay, he's from Kwara State, his name is James, and he's making profits trading with the robot. Okay, and as you can see, I have a very powerful spike catching strategy for you guys. Okay, a very powerful one. As you can see, I've gotten about 2 spikes here on crash 600. Okay, so let's see my profit ratio. Okay, you can see I've made over $16 on both positions, although it has been counting down. Let me close. Okay, so I caught one spike and I made $30. Now, for those of you that wants to trade using strategies, maybe you want to trade by yourself and you want to win your trades, there are measures you need to take. I know most traders have been trading over the years and they have not been profitable. Okay, now if you want to trade by yourself using strategies, you have to understand a good ratio of your market trend and a little knowledge of your candlestick pattern and your market price action. Okay, it's not just using strategies, because if you notice, most of these strategies online gives entries on only the 1 minute time frame, and 1 minute is just 60 seconds, which means if something happens in the 5 minute time frame, it will affect you because you're working with only the 1 minute time frame. That's why I used to advise all traders, even if you see an entry, before you take that trade, make sure you have checked your 15 minutes time frame, 30 minutes time frame, and confirm if that buy is actually a buy or the sell is actually a sell. If not, you might end up being spiked out or not collecting spike at all. That's why I see most traders complain that strategy is not working, this and that. That's why we have a cheetah robot to help you for accuracy. You can be using strategy and still use cheetah robot, and you can be using cheetah robot without strategy. Okay, so if you have a cheetah robot, for instance, my cheetah robot, which is very effective, okay, it helps you for accuracy, and you see every day be winning your trades. Okay, now you can also choose to join my VIP signal group, and I will feeding you with powerful signals every day, consistently. Every day you might hit up to 5 signals, 6 signals, and they are very powerful. You know, in all my videos I show you online, I take live trades, and I usually do it on a live account. You can see this account is a live account. Okay, so guys, let's see we're giving guide this strategy for free. And before I continue, I want to inform you guys, I also trade Well Trading. Okay, Pain and Gain and the rest of them, I trade and manage Well Trade accounts. So I know most persons no longer use Deriv, but I'll advise you to keep using Deriv, because Deriv has a master partnership link, which once you click on that link as and register as a Deriv master partner, okay, the Deriv pays you every day commission every day from your trades and trades of those that sign up under you, because once you sign up, you get your own link in your dashboard and start sharing your link. Now imagine getting paid up to $80, $100, $200 every month for you not trading at all, or for you trading and making losses. Now normally, if you find an account of $100 and you lose your $100, they will not give you any money back. They might give you some commission. It does not mean anything. You will not get anything back. But if you are a master partner with Deriv, Deriv might give you up to $20 from your own losses. And imagine if you made $100 from a $100 deposit, you made extra $100. Deriv still pays you extra $20 on top. Then if you have maybe 10 persons under you that trade consistently, you end up earning from all of them like a downline. And I know some of my friends earn up to $1,500, $2,000 every month from Deriv. Every month they are paying you, and the commission comes every day. You can choose to withdraw anytime you like. Okay, so that part is, once you just click on the link, okay, I will leave the link below in the description box. So if you click on that link to just take it to your browser, automatically you'll see your own dashboard there, and you can start earning. But if you have any communications, you can ask me. That's why I prefer Deriv to Well Trade. But Well Trade is also a very good broker to trade with. Okay, so if you have a Well Trade account, you can send me an inbox and I'll help you manage your account. Okay, and I'll do it very profitably. Okay, as you all know, I win all my trades. Yes, nobody is perfect. Everybody make losses, but at the end of the day, my wins are more to my losses. I trade using strategies. I trade with price action. I trade with cheetah robot. So trust me, if you have a funded account, or you can deposit your account now, or you have an account you've been blowing, or you're making losses on over the years, or you've met many account managers and they're not profitable to you, just come. This is the best Forex Academy. Okay, I'll do a very, very perfect job for you, and the question is always open. And if you can check, there will be never no negative comment there, which means we'll deliver as we used to say. Okay, so you can hit me up for account management. You can also hit me for mentorship. I'll teach you all my knowledge of the forex market. You can hit me up if you have challenges signing up as a Daily Master affiliate. You can hit me up if you want to join my VIP Signal group. You can hit me up to get the cheetah robot. And trust me, before the end of this year, you have good testimonies on your lips. Okay. Now, as you can see, the account is now at $122.27, which initially it was at $91, but I have gotten some spikes. Okay. Now, this is crash 600. Let me show you guys again. Now, my entry point was when I noticed this moving averages went across your 86 level, and your parabolic star and your second indicator went with it simultaneously. You can see now two spike came and I exit. Now, if you have a big account, hold your position till spike takes this market down to this point. Okay, it needs to spike to this point, which means more spike will come. If you have a small account, if you catch one spike, exit. But I always urge you, if you get a good entry, use a good loss size, so that once you get, okay, this is another spike entry coming in, okay, this is another spike entry coming in. So see what I did here. You can see I checked my higher time frame, I checked my heavy time frame, I found out this market is forming an M pattern, which means there might be no spike anytime soon. Okay, there might be no spike anytime soon. As you can see, the market is repeating this pattern, which means this market have to sell to this point. Even there's a spike, it's going to be a very small spike. Okay, let's see. Let me teach you guys a little thing about the price action. But this place shows that the market is going to be a long buy upwards, but it's not up to that point. You can see. So if I will not place my sell here now, if you don't have this knowledge of the price action or market trend, you might come open your market and you see 1,000 and you just rush and place your buy, and there might be tighty candlestick and there will be no spike because you don't understand your market trend. Okay, now supposing I have checked my market trend 5 minute time frame, I find out that this market has been maybe somewhere around here, or I check my 30 minutes time frame and I find out the market has sold to this point. You can see almost to this point that it spiked previously. I'll place my buy with ease, and trust me, there will be spike, which I'll still take and I'll show you guys later. But as you can see, the market is showing that the candlestick still has more to sell from your higher time frame. This is what we call market trend. Okay, so this is why that's why if I manage your account for you, I'll win trade. But if you trade by yourself, you might end up making accumulated losses because you need to know what you're doing. Okay, not just these basics. Strategies are just basics. But again, if you use the cheetah robot, it will give you accuracy. Okay, this market trend you're checking will not be very relevant because it will do that for you. Okay, so like I said, for the boom market, as you all know, you can see once it's the reverse, once you notice that your moving average goes below your 16 level, followed by a parabolic sign, your second indicator window, take your buy. And trust me, like I said, a spike can take you above to this 86 level, which happened here. I can see this only this spike can give you a whole lot of money. It can give you up to $80 if you use a good lot size. Spike pays more than candlestick if you know what you're doing. Okay, so I will advise you as an experienced, successful trader. Okay, if you're finding it difficult to self-trade, please join a signal group. Okay, the only problem with signal group is that how active can you be to get signals, because signals can come anytime, depends on how the market moves. Okay, so you need to be active so that you can be there to take the signals. Okay, so if you know that you can be active, please join a free signal or a VIP signal group. Okay, you're not throwing your money, you're trying to make more money. Okay, now if you want to do it on your own and maybe you don't have time for signals, okay, get the cheetah robot. It's a one-time something. You pay, you have it, and you start making your money. In 2 days, you've recovered your money for the deposit of getting the robot, and you start enjoying. Okay, now if you don't need the robot, maybe you have your own reasons, and maybe you're a working class, you don't have time and all that, you can come for account management. Forget what they told you about account management. Maybe you've met other account management, they play account. You can come for account management, and I'll do a very, very good job for you. If you check all my videos, I manage accounts, and they are very, very profitable. Okay, now you can also choose to learn, and I'll be your mentor. I'll teach you about the market and teach you how to create your own strategies, teach you everything I know. And you find yourself becoming a professional, you have people under you, just like I have. Okay, so before the end of this year, you can still end up being a millionaire or a thousandaire. Okay, and trust me, any knowledge you've gained from the market will become your own knowledge. Okay, Deriv or Well Trade, I'm active. You can message me for account management, you can message me for any service you need from me. I'm very, very active, and I'll urge you, please become a Deriv master partner and you never regret it. Okay, just click on the links. For us, you have an active Deriv account, automatically takes your own dashboard and you see your referral link there and you start earning every month. I earn every month for over 4 to 5 months now. Okay, so it helps me a lot even when I don't trade. Okay, so I urge you, please try and become a Deriv master affiliate. And please, let's keep growing. If you're not watching my video for the first time or watching my videos and you're not subscribed to this channel, you're making a big mistake. Please pause this video, go and subscribe to the channel so that once I drop a new video, you'll be among those to first to receive and start making your money. Okay, because strategy phase over time. Okay, so please subscribe to this channel. Let's keep growing and reach out to one person. And please like this video, share to your friends. If you have any comment, of course, drop in the comment section and I'll give you feedback. Okay, so like I said, Deriv and WealthTrade, I manage all accounts. And if you need my chat robot, you can hit me up. Anything you need from me, same number on the screen, text me on WhatsApp, and I'll give you a quick feedback. Or check my description box, the first link there. Just click on it, text me on my WhatsApp, send me a message. Okay, other links are in my description box, like the Deriv Master Partnership link and my free Signal Telegram channel link. Okay, and I also deal on cryptocurrencies. I sell and I buy crypto. So if you're interested in buying or selling crypto, please hit me up and I'll engage you regardless of your country. Okay, so you can hit me up and I'll give you at a very good rate. Okay, I'm very active. I'll be working on another powerful strategy for you guys. Please make money with this one and give me feedback. Now, before I forget, let me share with you guys the settings for this strategy very fast. Click on your F. You have about 6 moving averages here, and your stochastic oscillator on your indicator window 1, then your indicator window 2. You have just 2 indicators here. Now, first stochastic oscillator indicator window 1, click on it. 155 low high simple, your level at 86 and 16, click on done. Second is your first moving average, click on it. 14 zero exponential low, color is yellow, click on it. Your second moving average, change the period to 10 and the color to blue, finish, click on done. The third moving average, you change the period to 12 and the color to green, click on done. Your fourth moving average, you change the color to red and the period to 16, you can screenshot them, click on done. To be very brief. Your fifth moving average, change the period to 18, the color to purple, click on done. Your last moving average, change the color to orange and the period to 20, click on done. Then your candle window 2, your RSI relative friendliness, click on it. Price 14, apply to low, levels are 86 and 16 to click on done. Then lastly, your parabolics are 200.000 and 3000.000. Your color is blue. You can change the color if you like, click on done. If your settings are done properly, definitely your chart will look this way. Okay, so start making your money and give me testimonies. Thank you very much.